Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for unboxing or unpackaging number 2. So this one right here is just a bonus because I actually received both of these packages on the same day. So even though this one was actually shipped before, I received this one the same day. So if you looked at my other video, you would have known that I received the wrong cover. I received a black Scout instead of a brown Scout. So I'm going to open this B6 because I also ordered a B6. And I'm going to see if this is the dark brown Scout or if it's another black Scout. So just so you know, the black Scout has actually grown on me. And I do have my ink. I did compare it to the ink cover. And yes, of course there's a difference because it is Maverick. I guess I was just expecting a little bit more. I don't know what I was expecting. So maybe that's what it was. But it's actually grown on me. It is a beautiful cover. And yeah, so let's see what's in this package. So if this is another black one, then I'm going to actually request a brown one, a dark brown. So I have to see what's available on the site. And then here's my envelope. Let's see. Here's another one of those stickers. And then on here, and I didn't add any order notes, but this now says black. So we will see. I'm kind of hoping it's brown so I don't have to ship it back. But if it's black, then I'm going to have to ship it back. So let's see. It's black. Oh, man. So I'm going to have to contact Chic Sparrow. But this is what I originally wanted. And I like this one. It has a lot more texture than the other one. I mean, the other one you can't see, but this one you can really see the lightning strikes a lot more than on the first one. This one is actually gorgeous. See, oh yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably, and let's see. So I've noticed too, I'll just show you real quick. I have a black Creme and it has the new pin loop because it's a heritage. But I feel like on the smaller notebooks, it's not as bad as the larger one. And actually, let's see, let's compare. This one is actually not as stiff. This one's actually a lot stiffer. You see that? This one's actually more pliable, more flexible. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and ask them to, I have to see if they have a dark brown in narrow. If they do, then I will request a dark brown in narrow because that's what I originally wanted anyway. I do really like this B6. This one is beautiful. I mean, they are actually, but see, I like this one too because it has on the inside, it has more texture. This one is smooth on this side, but it is like, I don't know, I like the way this one closes better. It's not as thick of a leather. Oh yeah, I really like this Scout. And see, the pin loop does not, well, I don't use like a lot of big pins, so I know it's an issue. I still, once again, am about the old pin loop, but I don't want to sell my Creme. I like the Creme Heritage. I am going to keep this. And I really do like this B6. See, so the pin loop is just way, well, let's see. So this is an Ink Joy. I feel like the pin loop, I don't know if it's because it's softer. I feel like in this, it doesn't work. Like, And like I said, this is very stiff. But this one, I am loving the B6. That is gorgeous. So I will definitely be contacting Chic Sparrow because once again, see it says dark brown, narrow. So hopefully they have some left. If not, yeah, I've been trying to get before I tried to get a dark brown wide, and this time I tried to get a dark brown narrow, and it's just not working out with the dark brown. I don't know what it is, but I am going to be sending this one back, and I'm going to keep this one because I really, yes, I like this one. So, yeah. And I'm hoping they go back to the old pin loop because there is a survey in the Chic Sparrow group about going back to the old pin loop. So that is definitely a winner. And just shared that in there really quick. And here is, I ordered a chocolate creme I ordered a chocolate creme heritage, a butter rum ink, pen quill, and a Drummond pen quill because I didn't get to purchase the Drummond notebook, and I kind of was kicking myself later, but then looking at some of the notebooks, some look amazing and some were like, okay. So let's see. Let's do this first. Oh, that's gorgeous. So I have a butter rum. Well, I have two butter rum. So these are really nice. I like that. And then here's the Drummond. So I wanted to get one for a double, I guess 2 pens, but I only was able to, they were sold out. So I got this one and this one. And the reason for the purchase as well is because I had my $100 credit. So all this was actually only $12. So I was able to get, oh, wow, look at that texture. Okay, this, wow. This is stunning. Beautiful. Wow. A lot more texture than the black. I've always been more of a fan. I almost sold my wide black beauty because I just, for some reason, the brown, it just, wow. That is beautiful. So that is the black, brown, dark, chocolate creme. And see, I feel like the pin loop is not as bad. Maybe too, because the leathers are mixed. And like I said, on the bigger ones, it's, yeah. Oh, this is so beautiful. See that texture? Wow. This is one of the most textured cremes that I've received. Well, my creme brulee is pretty textured too. So I just want to share that. So I will be contacting Chic Sparrow, and I'm hoping that they have a narrow. If not, then I'm gonna have to see what they have available because I really do want the chocolate. And thank you so much for stopping by. And I think out of all the purchases, of course, these two are my favorite. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, leave that below, and hopefully they go back to the old pin loop. That would be amazing. So thanks for stopping by. Have a blessed day. Bye.